Boracay at the moment, October 29, Wednesday, 3 p.m. Joel Jos Andrada here. At the moment, I'm on my way to White Beach Station 1 to watch the Frisbee competition. Let's go! This is where the Frisbee competition is happening. Check it out. Beach Ultimate Boracay White Beach Festival, October 29 to 30. Guess what? Hi, Via. Hello. How are you?
I'm good. Na-miss ko yung Boracay. Buti na nagkita tayo at naglalakad lang siya sa harap ko.
Diba? When was the last time that we saw each other? That's Via Veloso, you guys. Actress. Yes. To those who don't know, I used to be in show business. The beach basketball is still ongoing. Today has been crazy, to say the least. I had to meet up with a lot of people. I also met up with my fellow Air Force reservist, Sir Neil of the Boracay Sandcastle Makers Association. He asked for my help to take a drone footage of their masterpiece for Boracay I-Pass. I'm on my way back now to Lake Town. We're here in Lake Town. Everyone here is getting ready for the reopening. I'm here now with the DNR. Hi, sir. We're now here in White Beach Station 2. I'm with Ma'am Venice. Hello. This is it for now. Thank you for watching. This has been Joel Jos Andrada. Bye. Check it out. I also saw my friends Ganda, the Fat Louie, and Bodge in Lake Town. That's touched my heart, a bond that's so strong, it's hard to explain. Grateful for a friend who's always been there to stay. And so I thought that was the end of my vlog, but then again I had to go back to White Beach Station 1 for the awarding ceremonies of the beach basketball. Let's go!
maraming very much sa mga nanalo, of course, congratulations. And sa lahat na natalo, congratulations. No? Dahil this is not only for today, but we have future next year pa. And then we have malapit na, no? Ang Love Boracay. So, sa pamagalan na ni Forbes Pilato, na pasukan natin yung mga pro na para mas maganda. Diba? And of course, we have to look for more funds para mas may mga laking premyo, and of course, ang other sponsorship para more enjoyable siya. Well, sa lahat naman ng mga fans ng beach volleyball, na basketball, na of course, ito lang nangyayari sa Boracay ito. Sa lahat, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Well, thank you very much, everyone, and of course, to the players, thank you very much for your participation. You will give more enjoyment for this Boracay Wonders Festival, and of course, sa ating mga sa tourism, sa DNR, ano pa mga agency dito ngayon na na-involved, no? Sa ating mga personnel ng LGUs, sa ating private sectors, no? Thank you very much. Sa media people, social vloggers, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, thank you very much.
Kalibo Cable.
Kalibo Cable! Thank you, thank you. Well, now, award, di ba, sa mga winners. Magkano ba ilang...
Individual award muna tayo niya.
Okay. Kailan. Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa ating Bituin Mayor, Crony Bautista sa magagandang mensahe. For the medical fight from JST Stainless, no other than Bino Alvarez. From Tyler's Barbershop, Peter. Sabi ni Mayor, lahat ng medical fight, tagwa 1,000 daw. Bigay ni Mayor, Romy Bautista. Bonus yan ni Mayor. Next, ang ating medical fight from Manila, Sir Latano. Congratulations, sir. Next up, Mr. Musico from Team Westside. And also the last medical fight is JJ Salvador. Ayan po ang ating Best Medical Fight Beach Basketball 2025. Our fifth runner-up from Team GM's Basketball. Congratulations, our fourth runner-up, the fourth runner-up. Natagdagan daw ni Mayor ng 1,000 yung kanilang consolation prize. Third runner-up, no other than Team Tanod from Yapak. Dadagdagan din ni Mayor yung ang inyong consolation prize. Ayan po ang mga participants galing ng Yapak, Puka Beach. Additional 2,000 pesos galing kay Mayor. Okay. Yung ating third place or second runner-up from Team GST Stainless. 10,000 cash prize. Plus Lucky at additional 2,000 from Mayor Fromy Bautista. Okay. So, total cash prize nila is 12,000 pesos. First runner-up, 15,000 cash prize and plucky. Plus 2,000 galing naman kay Mayor again. No other than Tyler's Barbershop Team. Headed by Coach Jeffrey Sacapanyo, Rodriguez. A total of 17,000 pesos.
Okay, one. One, two. Isa pa, one, two.
And for our champion for the third time, Grand Slam na ito, yung Team Westside. A cash prize of 20,000 and plus 2,000 from Mayor Fromy. Yan po ang ating third time champion of beach basketball 2025 dito sa Boracay. At ating most valuable player, no other than Bernard Ponpon. $1,000 for the cash prize. Consolation para sa MVP. Bigay ni Mayor Fromy Bautista. Palakpakan natin si Mayor. And once again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at magandang gabi. See you again on La Boracay Beach Basketball. Good night, everyone.
One, two, three.
Dali lang, isa pa.